Ranking Women's Tennis Association. Stars doing tennis sound impressions. Who absolutely nailed it? Number 1. Alex Eala. She made that look way too easy.
Oh, it's supposed to sound like this, how my coach. Boom, boom.
Number 2. Aryna Sabalenka. That was way too accurate.
Tush, tush.
Number 3. Amanda Anisimova. Okay, she nailed that.
I have to think about that.
Thanks for watching. Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Ranked by Cheems, and turn on the notification bell.